Well, we're here at Applied Materials in XiAn, and we have Dr. Wang Ruiping. Could you introduce yourself and how long you've worked in Applied Materials?
Yes, my name is Ruiping Wang, and this is my 15th year at Applied Materials. I worked in Applied Materials headquarters for 7 years, then in China for 8 years, and started with supporting China's Applied Materials China semiconductor business rep 8 years ago, and I moved to XiAn to build the solar R&D team starting from last year.
And so why did Applied Materials come to China? What is the history behind that and the reasons behind that?
Actually, this was based on the long-term strategy that Applied Materials former chairman Jim Morgan set 27 years ago, and also continued by our current chairman and CEO Mike Splinter. And they both had a very strong belief in China for long-term strategic development, both from business side and also from product side. So that's the fundamental reason for us to be in China, and also for us to start building the R&D development capabilities in China.
Why did Applied Materials decide to set up its R&D center in XiAn in particular, in Shanxi province, which is not by the coast and not your traditional big city?
Yes, many people ask about this question, and I think Applied Materials made a right decision to come to XiAn. And there are two major factors. One is the resource abundance in XiAn. XiAn has 47 universities. It's the largest university city next to Beijing in China. So, and also second is that XiAn has a long history of heavy machining and technology development history in China. It used to be mostly focused on the military side, but today more and more on the civil side. So there's a lot of research institute accompanied by the universities. So I think with both of the research capability, industrial foundation, and also the universities, it gives us very good environment for us to build our R&D capabilities. And also the location-wise, I view as an advantage also because here in the central part of China, and it offer some stability as well, and which is definitely required for accumulating the very much needed experience level in order to do R&D work.
Could you say something about China in general, about its general policies in clean energy, in solar, and how that makes it attractive for a business like Applied Materials to situate their R&D center?
In terms of the policy, and I think China is on a good track right now to make efforts to improve the policy support for clean energy. But in terms of the current status, I don't think it's at the level that I expected for clean energy industry. But I'm very happy to see the environment is getting better and better, and also there are more and more people are lobbying government and working on promoting government to release more supporting policies for clean energy in China, and China government did take more and more measures and steps in this direction. So that's very positive side. But I think another reason, in addition to policy side, is really the market, which bring all the international companies here and draw a lot of people's attention. Is really the market.
How big do you think the market can be in China?
Well, it can be as large as people can push it to.
Yeah. What about XiAn government and Shanxi government and provincial government in general, like in terms of their policies and the support for businesses like yours, like Applied Materials?
Yeah, that's a very good question. And the Shanxi provincial government and the XiAn city government give companies like Applied Materials very good support, and they're also putting a lot of efforts in attracting international companies like Applied Materials, and also to promote clean energy industries and development in Shanxi province and XiAn city, and especially on the PV and LED area. And this has been the #1 governor's project through the past year, and extended to this year. And they have made great efforts, and both in terms of infrastructure and resource support and policy support part for the local companies to get into solar and also to develop solar industries in Shanxi province. So I'm very happy to see Shanxi government's efforts in this area.
What kind of support in particular did they give Applied Materials?
In addition to our operational supports in XiAn, and also we're very well connected with our peer partners in the clean energy area in Shanxi province, and we work very closely with Shanxi government and to promote the clean energy development in Shanxi province. And also we offer some good support to the local communities as well, and we view this as a win-win situation for both us and also local governments. And in terms of, we are also actively involved in government-sponsored projects such as Golden Sun project, and also we're on one of the approved project list to begin with. Yeah.
Okay. Can you say just a few words about where Applied Materials is located in terms of the high-tech industrial zone? Maybe just give some details about this zone in XiAn.
We're located in the XiAn high-tech zone, Zone B area, which is in the southwest corner of XiAn city. This offers a large open area for future development and expansion. And also, XiAn government has built a very good infrastructure here, including highway access to the airport and things like that. When you come to the company, you see there's a ramp going to the express third lane, and will be connected very shortly, and this will make it very easy to go to airport and get on the third lane of the city. Yeah.
Right, and it's also attracted a lot of other companies, multinational and Chinese companies.
Right.
Some examples?
Like Micron, they have their packing fabs here, and recently they just had their expansion celebration just last week, I think. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, great. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Wang, for sharing your insights on Applied Materials.
Thank you.